Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. News updates bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs this month izodlala ama-matches awu-5. Ama-matches anzima kakhulu starting from namhlanje njengoba bazodlala ne-Orbit College. By the way, le i-match yokugcina noma ngithi for the next couple of weeks or 2 weeks plus Kaizer Chiefs ngeke idlale. Iyozibuye ngeyi-22 idlale neMagesi and then ngeyi-30 idlala ne-Golden Arrows. But guess what? Lama match lawa angashintsha ama-date because of kune-CAF Confederations Cup kuma-group stages izoya e-Egypt between i-21 to i-23 la izodlala khona ne-Al-Ahly yes leyase-Egypt izodlala away. So i-continental level ama-fixtures wabo aqala late this month. But guess what? The big one bafethu izodlala neZamalek e-FNB Stadium between i-28 ne-30. So lento le izoclasha negame ye-Golden Arrows le kumele idlale nayo i-Golden Arrows ngeyi-30 kusho ukuthi enye igame kumele bayipostpone then babone ukuthi bayishejula kanjani ne-PSL or maybe izodlala ngeyi-28 and then ngeyi-30 so bona ukuthi bazoyishejula kanjani. But the biggest game for i-Kaizer Chiefs this month badlala neZamalek. What a test bafethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, so bona ukuthi bazokwazi ukusurvive i-fixture of this magnitude. But yeah, it's the real test that this year. Siyazi ukuthi badlalele neMamelodi Sundowns, the game that they could have won but obviously abayiwinanga. Kodwa kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs if they wanna go all out ku-continental level ukuthi bakwazi ukuyishaya iZamalek lapha ne-FNB Stadium ayikho enye bafethu. Uma bangashaya iZamalek across the continent bazosenda i-statement esi-serious ukuthi abazange ukuzodlala this season ku-CAF Confederations Cup bazocompete. Later on namhlanje ba-expected ukuthi badlale ne-Orbit College, bayishaye i-Orbit College and then makwenzeka bayishaya i-Orbit College namhlanje bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs ina-19 points izolingana neMamelodi Sundowns ngama-points nangamagame adlaliwe. Imagine boyi-2 bazoba na-22 makwenzeka bawine because iMamelodi Sundowns ihleli ku-number 1 nga-22 points, Kaizer Chiefs ihleli ku-number 4 nga-19 points. Win for Kaizer Chiefs bayalingana neMamelodi Sundowns. And then-ke ku-number 2 laphana kuneSikhukhune United sona esina-20 points badlale 10 games. So after igame yanamhlanje Kaizer Chiefs Isikhukhune and then Isikhukhune sizoba semuva ngegame yodwa ngizo-check Isikhukhune ukuthi idlala nini sona. Orlando Pirates-ke yiyo i-team ene-advantage ish better than amanye ama-team ina-19 point ilingana ne-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke yona ine-game in hand compared to i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba yona isadlala ama-game awu-9 kuphela. So again compared to iMamelodi Sundowns isemuva nga-2 games. Uma ingawina amagame wayi-2 i-Orlando Pirates lawaza alandelayo then they will be easy beyond bazohlala ku-number 1. But yeah, so bona ukuthi amagame azo-line up kanjani noma ama-results azoba kanjani laphana. But yeah, this gives Kaizer Chiefs a big opportunity ukuthi iwine namhlanje ihlale le ku-top 2 ilingane neMamelodi Sundowns ngama-points. i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibe nesikhathi la ingawini khona ama-game. Well, it's not even like Kaizer Chiefs went like on ku-Betway Premiership idlale 4 games bafethu ingawini 4 games since yagcina ukuwina idlala ne-Golden Arrows cabanga 1-0. I don't even think abanye abantu bayikhumbula le game but I think they do ama-football fanatics. But since lapho yagcina ukuwina mayidlala ne-Golden Arrows iwina 1-0 njengoba seyizowina ne-Durban City manje previous game le abayidlalile because they went 4 games without ukuwina. Baluze kuSikhukhune badrawa neMarumo Gallants badrawa namaZulu badrawa neSwelele then bawina ne-Durban City. So i-Kaizer Chiefs if nje ayizange ibe affected by ama-draws amaningi ngabe easy ihleli laphana ku-number 1. But konke kulele kubo ukuthi namhlanje bazodlala kanjani abafana bazodeliver kanjani. It's a good platform for bona ukuthi bathele i-Orbit College ngenduku ukuthi bakwazi ukuhlala laphana ku-22 points ngoba akazobani abazokwazi uku-inspire i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ihlale laphana esicongweni. So bona later on namhlanje I wanna go to i-interview kaPeterson bafethu ukuthi uPeterson utheni about ukuba nama-clean sheets angaka nanokuthi maybe kwenzani lokho kuye at the end of the day because kubalulekile obviously amalo abalulekile ama-clean sheets anawo. Uthi i-feeling e-right kakhulu for yena ukuthi-ke umanenjile ukuba nama-clean sheets awu-9 kuma-13 games awadlalile. Uthi ama-clean sheets abalulekile but-ke uthi into ebaluleke kakhulu overall laphana ukuthi i-team iperforma kahle ithola ama-maximum points. Ukuthi-ke uthi who's conceded 7 goals. Oh yeah, uPeterson by the way uconcede amagoli ayi-7 kuma-game awu-13 awadlalile. And not like ukuthi uconsider kakhulu, just that ukuthi ku-game eyodwa lapha against isikhukhune United waconsider 3 and then-ke kulawa amanye uconsider lewo 1-1. Ya uthi-ke akekho focus ukuthi uthola ama-clean sheets awungakhi, yena into ebaluleke kakhulu uku-make sure ukuthi i-team iperforma kahle week in and week out. Uthi-ke nje uthi angathatha i-win uKaizer Chiefs, uprefer ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs iwine kunokuthi yena athole ama-clean sheets as long bawinile. Whether bawina kusho ukuthi 3-1, 2-1 as long as bakwazile ukuwina bamove forward. Uyasho ukuthi in-counter against isikhukhune in-counter against i-Orbit College izoba nzima, angeke ibe lula. Uthi-ke uyazi ukuthi abantu mabadlala neKaizer Chiefs, ama-team amaningi mabadlala neKaizer Chiefs afuna ukuyishaya iKaizer Chiefs. Uthi so kubalulekile for bona ukuthi they keep i-good run going, ukuthi especially before i-international break njengoba sizoya kwi-international break. Uthi-ke futhi i-home game for bona, so uthi kubalulekile ukuthi bangaconcede laphana e-home and then babuye. Uthi 3 points-ke non-negotiable. Kusho ukuthi they are expecting ukuthi bawine leya game, but they are going to the game against isikhukhune bakwazi ukuyiwina i-game engeke ibe lula njengoba shilo nawo Peterson. So bona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani lapha nemuva. Already sengisipredictile i-lineup, but-ke siyazi emuva kuzoba uKwinika noMcCarthy. I don't see anything ngempela yenzeka ngoba siyazi ukuthi umsimango in terms of i-recovery yakhe is almost there, but yeah, don't think he'll make the matchday squad, but we'll see. Yeah man, a good game for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi nje bayishayele amagoli, kumele bakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli, kumele bakwazi ukwa-create ama-opportunities. There's something engishilo izolo ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ngeke uyi-predict, uzothi iKaizer Chiefs izodlala kanje idlaleleke lento leyo nabo ongayicabanga ukuthi izoyidlala. But-ke I mean the game is for the taking, it's there for the taking. Everything konke kulele kubo. I mean it's gonna be interesting to see ukuthi uMukwena oweKaizer Chiefs ugoalkeeper, third choice goalkeeper uzoba khona na namhlanje ebenchini, because simbonile le eDurban utravelile ne-team umfana. Nestori sakaNtwari as we heading to uJanuary ukuthi bazomlona, bazomtransfera, bazomreleasa. I-contract kaNtwari bafethu iphela 2028 ne-option yokuthi ba-extend. So I mean i-relationship yabo mawubheka kahle kahle ubudlelwano beKaizer Chiefs between yena ne-technical team kumoshekile. So I think ngoJanuary kumele bamenzele iplan ngempela. Imagine uyi-senior goalkeeper, kuthatha ugoalkeeper wako-DDC team unikwa ispace sakho because of they feel ukuthi abasakudingi at all lapha ne-teamini. And that's sad, but at the same time siyazi ukuthi ubehave kanjani nokuthi wenze izinto kanjani, ureact kanjani last calling knockout. Maybe ama-coach are-disappointed, maybe futhi ama-coach azama ukuba ne-authority kuma-player, ayabona ukuthi okay ama-player ngathi ayazenzela, so they're tryna have leyo authority leyo ukuthi ama-player akwazi ukubalalela. But you started as an assistant coach, so it's very difficult for abakubona abantu as now i-head coach. Kaizer Chiefs njengoba beyilaphana eThekwini, uMfundo Vilakazi kube nesikhathi esincane sakhe sokuthi a-advertise i-Toyota. Yeah, kusho ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi usponzwa i-Toyota, right? Through i-agency lakhe yini, i-Pro Sport International yibo abamsponsayo. Kusho ukuthi naye sekanobudlelwane ne-Toyota. I-Toyota sikhumbule ukuthi futhi inobudlelwane neKaizer Chiefs. So ama-endorsement deals, I mean for uMfundo Vilakazi, I'm not surprised if njengoba eza ama-endorsement of this magnitude bayakwazi ukumsiza lapho nalapho. Asazi ukuthi i-deal yakhe nabo Toyota kanjani, but obviously include iy'mali nanokuthi ama-image rights, zonke lezi zinto lezi if basebenzisa yena uMfundo ukuthi abonakale ko-Toyota, izinto ezinjalo. But yeah, what a time to be alive for yena umfana ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi bedlalela laphana ebhuqwini, but-ke manje seke-one of the biggest stars ku-South African football. Well deserved, by the way. I mean akekho, I remember seeing him when he was young, abantu ukuthi bebamthanda abantu, I think bekano-14 or lapho nje bebamthanda already abantu bafethu. I think if bekukhona umuntu bekumele aphumelele uMfundo Vilakazi based on uthando ebeliqhamuka kubantu laphana mesimbukele kasi games. Emncane but-ke it was super exciting. And kuleya team yakhe le bekayidlalela bafethu baningi abantu abagude just ukuthi yena bekamncane, and then obviously abantu they would align more to umuntu omncane than let's say amanye ama-senior players abe laphana kule team yakhe before ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, ba-produce ama-players agude kakhulu. Naleli Hlongwane, the coolest thing ukuthi ubuyile kwi-injury Naledi Hlongwane bafethu, ubuyile kwi-injury. They've missed him laphana ku-DDC team. Ubuyile uzoqala ukubasiza ngempela because of they haven't won a game since umfana engekho. Cabanga since elimele azange bakore even a single goal. Ubuyile to help them laphana ku-DDC team njengoba bengishilo ukuthi une-senior contract which is good, but-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs they felt the need ukuthi kumele adlale laphana ku-DDC team athole i-game time khona, and then gradually bazokwazi ukumbeka laphana ku-Betway Premiership or ngithi ku-senior team because ujima ne-senior team but-ke uyale ku-Betway uya ku-DDC team isikhathi esiningi, and they are preparing ukuthi bahambe baye eNgilandi la bayodlala khona no-Leeds no-Manchester United. La beku-expected ukuthi uBatman mhlampe naye angaba endizeni yale phesheya, but-ke akwenzekanga. Ngeke kwenzeke in fact unless if izinto ziya-change because of umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuphikisile ukuthi umfana uzoya laphana ku-DDC team. Babona ukuthi umfana ugudi ukuthi adlale laphana ku-first team, alwele isikhala sakhe ku-first team. Kaze uMunapule Saleng bafethu ubaphatheleni ngempela laphana e-FNB Stadium against i-Kaizer Chiefs cause uke wabahlupha before, but hayi kuzobonakala ukuthi ubaphatheleni umfana late namhlanje. But I don't see ngempela i-Orbit College yenza something spectacular. I wanna cover something else manje. Themba Mshizwane Mamelodi Sundowns, one of the greatest players we've watched bafethu in recent years. I mean, i-dominance yakhe, I saw him medlala eDustini yaseThembisa, I saw him medlala ku-Vardos ku-3rd division. What a player, what a superstar bafethu. And I think the coolest thing about yena ukuthi uhambule umuntu unamahloni. I remember ngikhuluma naye ePhumlongo ngimbona ukuthi unamahloni ubhuti like but I think it's also speaks to ubuyena ukuthi uwumuntu onjani and then ureacta kanjani ku-public. Ama-compliments kunzima ukuthi awathathe. Uthando olungaka from whether ufavor i-Chiefs, ufavor i-Pirates, ufavor ini, but-ke Themba Zwane sonke siyamthanda because of uwumuntu, especially thina simbonile live, sazi ijeni yakhe from humble beginnings to where he is right now and what he means to South African football from elokishini. Bafethu, no, what a story. But I wanna go to interview yakhe ukuthi utheni laphana. Uthe 100% uzobe ready for i-AFCON and in the next 2 weeks uthi uzobe ready futhi ukudlala laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. Uthi exciting uthi igroup yabo ileya ku-Champions League bafethu exciting kakhulu. Uthi bona bane-team egood ngempela engakhompyutha. Uthi mayibuzwa laphana ngele team lekaMukoko noma iLupopo lebedlala eKnockout Orlando Pirates uthi bababukele. Uthi kuzoba exciting game futhi ukuthi badlale noRhulani Mokwena or against uRhulani Mokwena. But uthe le team le iLupopo kaMukoko uthe i-team edirty but bama-hard workers. But-ke abadlali ibhola bafethu eli-right, bafuna ukulimaza abantu. By the way, I wanna go to actually I wish yazi khona izinto esingazibonanga funny enough. I saw something trending laphana ku-TikTok. uMukoko, what a dirty player bafethu, what a dirty player. Yazi why? Cause lezi zinto esizibonile e-TV zincane. Khona la nyathela khona uSipho Mbuli, khona la nyathela u-Apholisi, uRevla angaboni ibhola lidlali nokudlala khona but uvele uyabakhahlela uyabanyathela. Like maningi ama-moments a-frustrate abantu laphana kuye ngaye, then azenze ngathi umsulwa yena, yabo. Yazi ezinye izinto, I mean, we just have to focus ebholeni bafethu. I-fair play is very important. Siyazi ukuthi ama-tricks akhona but wena uma sewufuna ukulimaza abantu ubanyathela ubaprovoke ukuthi bathole ama-red card, akusiyinto e-right, akusiyibhola eli-right. And I understand ukuthi ama-fans bafethu a-divided, ukuthi abanye bathi hawu Mukoko unoke out, but-ke that's not the sportsmanship uma ubheka ukuthi ubadlalise kabuhlungu kangakanani abadlali be-Orlando Pirates. And just ukuthi abantu abaningi izinto ezinye asiy'bonanga, sesiy'bona manje. Mina ngibona izolo into eningi, ngayibona umuntu lo ohluphile kuleya game bafowethu. I think that is why kubuhlungu kubantu, especially kubantu bebase-stadium, abanye beba-capture ama-moments bambona ukuthi benzani. Unyathele u-Apholis, like u-Apholis umbona wayeseceleni kwakhe, akekho nasebholeni. Ibhola lidlala le side la, but uzoprovoke abantu ukubaphusha ukuthi ba-react. So man, ezinye izinto ziyadina because mina uma ngibukela ibhola ngifuna ukubukela ibhola eli-right eli-clean. Ama-tackle ayenzeka, yes, leyo nto leyo, ama-mind games sometimes ayenzeka, but ukuthi ulimaze ama-player noma angaliphethanga ibhola le akusiyinto e-right. Think uThembazwane u-right mate, ba-dirty la bantu laba. Uthi laphana uthi siqhubeke ngoThembazwane, uthi i-feeling laphana i-good for yena. Uthi manje uyagijima, so akezwa i-pain njengoba beyashilo ukuthi uzoba ready for i-AFCON 100%. Uthi ama-fans ayimele a-calm down, kusho ukuthi anga-react kakhulu ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi kusase-early, mele banike futhi namanye ama-players like isikhathi sokuthi ba-adapte ngoba ama-player amasha amanye. So mekhuluma ngoTsiki Ntshabeleng, ngakhuluma ngabo Nuno Santos, yasho ukuthi Nuno Santos u-good kakhulu bafowethu. Technically is very good, but mebuzwa about i-position yakhe ukuthi makuza amanye ama-player ufila kanjani, uyasho ukuthi yena kudala bakule situation le ukuthi kuzofika ama-players a-good laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So uyakwazi ukuba kuleya situation leya. Maningi ama-player afikile njengoba ekhona uThembazwane, but-ke njalo yena uyayithola i-opportunity ukuthi adlale. Ukhulume straight uThembazwane bafethu, uthi bona bafuna ukuwina i-CAF Champions League kuphela. Baya ku-CAF Champions League ukuthi bayewina, hhayi ukuthi mhlampe bayazama or whatever. No, they are there to win. I-focus yabo nje ukuthi bawine i-CAF Champions League. Kubalulekile for bona ukuthi bayewina. Obviously they've done it before. uThembazwane ufuna i-CAF Champions League is true. Yeah man, but-ke I think ungichazile methi uyawabona ama-good qualities kulama players lawa abawasayinile, but-ke abanikwe isikhathi. I mean it shows ukuthi uyawasapota even ama-teammates wakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, uNuno Santos i-quality, yabona uma kukhulunywa nge-quality, I love i-quality, hayi. But-ke just ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi bafethu i-system ofusuke udlala under yona, or u-coach, or i-decision making nje around i-team kusuke kungakufevi. But-ke uma uyi-quality uyi-quality, and no one will take that quality away from wena. Masibukela uNuno Santos, I mean you don't have to spend isikhathi eside ukubona umuntu ukuthi u-good in terms of ibhola. Nuno Santos i-world class player. Fortunately-ke siyakwazi ukumwitnessa ebholeni lase-South Africa, simbone nanokuthi udeliver kanjani. Moving away from Mamelodi Sundowns, we'll go to i-Orlando Pirates manje bafethu. Orlando Pirates still i-complainile laphana ku-CAF. Sobona ukuthi i-CAF izoresponda kanjani amacala, or ku-case of iLimpopo, ukuthi cause kusaseney'ndaba ukuthi Orlando Pirates mhlampe ingabuya ku-CAF Champions League. Siyazi ukuthi abantu bathi kune-draw already, i-draw seyithathiwe ukuthi obani bani bazodlala nobani. So lento le Orlando Pirates yoku-complain angeke isasebenza. I-CAF ezokhipha i-verdict. I-CAF phela bekumele ibambe i-draw, whether icala likhona or kanjani, bekumele ibambe i-draw. Kusho ukuthi if replace i-team, bazo-replace le khona lapha bayi-replace ngenye. But asazi bafethu solinda i-CAF because of umphathi, one of the leaders laphana ze-CAF bam-interviewile laphana e-Randburg izolo, wathi akazi ukuthi leyo nto le independent, ukuthi maybe izothatha ama-arbitrators nabanye abantu ukuthi bayisolve, but ukuthi i-decision izoba khona maduzane. Nayo iLimpopo yakhona seyicomplainile nge-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ikhiphe indaba eyi-wrong ukuthi azange baba-treat kahle laphana eCongo, bekune-intimidation nezinye izinto. Yeah. Okay, uNeo Mayema ube ne-message lapha. Uthi-ke wathola ama-message amaningi after ukukhuluma nge-Orlando Pirates ukuthi ngeke ayidlalele. So kusho ukuthi wakhuluma kabi nge-Orlando Pirates. I remember that clip. Wakhuluma kabi nge-Orlando Pirates, but uthi yena akusayi ukuthi uyayizonda i-Orlando Pirates, kodwa akusiyi team yena abona eyidlalela i-Pirates laphana. And then abantu-ke sebayasho ukuthi hayi vele awusiyi-quality le-Orlando Pirates, maningi ama-comment aphumayo. Ngimentionile nayizolo or earlier on mengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs bemfuna, but uthi yena wa-decide ukuya abroad eTanzania, a different country, nanokuthi ukhulumile ukuthi kube difficult kanjani lese conversation abe nayo no-coach because of bekazokhotshwa ucoach wase-South Africa, but-ke immediately mebefika laphana ucoach wayishiya i-team. 2 weeks after befikile cabanga ukuthi uzokhotshwa yi-South African, but-ke ucoach wadecide ukuhamba because iRaja yafika nemali ethe xaxa, imali e-serious. Wahamba kanjalo ku-coach. Thing is, yabona enye into mawusayinwe u-coach kubuhlungu because manje usayinwa u-coach and then u-coach lokusayinile wena bowusure ukuthi uzokudlalisa avele ahambe. So manje sobhekane nenkinga yokuthi lo muntu lo kulethile ethimini akasekho, mhlawumbe makungafika omunye u-coach izinto zakho ngeke zisahamba kahle. Yeah, but it's a journey and a half ukudlala ibhola. Sometimes you take i-risk, uthola ukuthi i-risk yakhona ayikusebenzeli. Sometimes you take it, iyakusebenzela, so you never know. So you just have to follow your instinct. Mayikuvumela ukuthi uhambe, you leave, but-ke mayingakuvumeli, umoya wakho mawungavumi ukuthi uhambe, you stay. Ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafowethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafowethu for more news updates.